Thank you, Shreya, for that soulful presentation. I now welcome Kumari Ananya Shrikant, disciple of Srimati Akshara Bharadwaj at the Structural School of Fine Arts. Ananya took her first steps into the world of dance in Doha, where she trained under Srimati Jairin Shaji. On moving to Bangalore, she found her true artistic home at the Structural School of Fine Arts, training under the guidance of Srimati Akshara Bharadwaj, a journey that has now spanned 10 beautiful years. This dedication culminated in her Arangetram in February 2005, a milestone she achieved with grace and commitment. Ananya has completed the Visharat Prathama examination with distinction from the Akhila Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal and has secured distinction in the second grade Bharatanatyam examination conducted by the Karnataka Secondary Education Board. Among her notable performances are the Akhila Bharata Kannada Sahitya Sammelana in Haveri, the Shivoham Festival, Mukula Nrityotsava, the ISKCON Janmashtami Festival, and the performances at the Siddhganga Mata in Tumkur, Mookambika Temple, and Idugunji Temple. She has also performed at the Bommagatta Hulukunteshwara Temple, Udupi Rajangana, and the Sashpriti Festival in Palakkad, Kerala. More recently, she presented a solo recital at the monthly concert series of Praroha Center of Performing Arts, both Janmashtami and Shivaratri, and has been part of the monthly concert series by Shivaganga Dance Academy. Please join me in welcoming Kumari Ananya. She will now begin her recital with a Maheshwara Stotra or Shiva Sutra that is traditionally believed to have been revealed by Lord Shiva through the sound of his Damaru. They are the 14 foundational phonetic statements in Sanskrit grammar formulated by the ancient grammarian Panini. This composition is followed by a Pushpanjali in Raga Shrotaswini and Adi Tala, a composition of Madurai R. Muralidharan, presenting Maheshwara Stotra and Pushpanjali.
Oh ಧಂ ತಕತ ಧಂ ಗಗನಂ ಗಗರಿ ವಿಗದಂ ತತ್ತಂ ತತ್ತಂ ಧಂ ತಕತ ತಜಂ ತನಂ ತರುಂ ಕಿಟತಕತ ತಗಜಂ ತಜಂ ದಣಂ ದರುಂ ಕಿಟತಕಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ತಜಂ ದಣಂ ದರುಂ ಕಿಟತಕತ ತಗಜಂ ತಜಂ ದಣಂ ದರುಂ ಕಿಟತಕಜಂ ಸಗಮಗನಿ ಜೊನುದನಿ ಬಮ ಪರಿದಾಗನಿ ಜೊನುದಕತ ಸಗಮ ಜೊನುದ ಪರಿದಾನಿ ಬಮ ಸಗಮಗನಿ ಜೊನುದರಿತ ತದರಿತಾಂ ತದನ ತಾಂ ತದಜನ್ ತಾಂ ತದಕಿಟ ತಾಂ ಸಗಮ ಬನಿದ ತದರಿತಾಂ ತದನ ತಾಂ ತದಜನ್ ತಾಂ ತದನಿ ಬಮ ಗಮಸ ತದನಿ ತಜಂ ಸಗಮ ಗನಿದ ತಗದರಿ ತಜಂ ಗಗನಿ ಗಜನಿ ಬನಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಜಂ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ಬನಿ ಸಗ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಸನಿಪ ತಗಜಂ ತಗಂ ಪಮನಿ ತಕ